All right, we're on to the video question. Okay, this one is if you want students to actually upload a video. Let's see. Record yourself demonstrating anatomical position. Also, show the directions for these 4 terms: superior, distal, proximal, and anterior. Okay, again, this should be 60 seconds. A minute is long enough, but maybe I'll give them 2 minutes, although that's pretty excessive. You should be able to do this in under a minute, but I'm going to save this. Again, this is a little bit more extensive. I'm going to make this worth 10 points for recording that video.